Hey guys, so we've just got into Queenstown and this little one's having a nap, just waiting for our room to become available. Here we are, our accommodation for the next couple of days, and this is our view, little playground over there, and this is Solo just having a smoke, chilling. So beautiful. Check that out, the mountains. What a beautiful view. Maria! Night, Maria! Welcome to room 414 at the Rydges, Queenstown. We've got a little sofa lounge area here, TV, jug, mini fridge, little heater, balcony outside. Let's see what's in these drawers. Just cups, rubbish bin, fridge, your tea. Now Mary, us out. And this is our room. Big bed.
Two TVs.
Another TV and a desk. Mini bar.
Not this weekend.
Sunday roast.
Ha! Got a rope. There's a rope in there.
What's in here?
There's a toilet.
Oh, it's... And this is the bathroom. Toilet. Shower. And it comes out to the other side where the door is. Laundry, 2 washers, 2 dryers. $2 for half an hour. Okay.
Wow.
Chicken burger.
Look at that steak.
Oh, sirloin steak. Medium rare, eh? Uh-oh.
Yep, see you later.
How is it?
Not bad. No. It's good.
It's pretty good, eh? That is so good. Very tasty, and the chicken is not dry at all. It's perfect. The barbecue sauce is so nice. Aioli, chips, some of Solo's salad.
Awa. Mu.
Oh yeah. Okay, dumpling. Add some soy sauce. Yummy?
So what's this one?
That one might be chives. Oh, the sauce.
Oh!
What? Chili.
Oh, chili. It's not tomato sauce.
Okay, be careful of the red one. It's chili sauce. The inside of our little buns, pork buns, and Solo said to dip it in the soy sauce.
No, that's me.
Bless you.